Hello children, let's learn some colors. Orange color, green color, yellow color, blue color, black color. Numbers 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Let's draw some shapes. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Colors: sky blue color, square, black color, circle, yellow color, triangle, orange color, heart, green color, star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Please like my video and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.